The Sugata, the one who defeats all and sees all. The Muni, the physician of the whole world, has succeeded in exhausting all desire and reached the end of all fetters. The one who knows all, understands all, possesses great power, and realizes everything, has completely overcome anger and fear, and gone beyond all dharmas. The one who is familiar with every thought has defeated all desire. The one who intends to benefit all beings has untied every knot. He has destroyed all evil inclinations and completely cut every constraint. As the best of all beings, the Muni preaches the dharmas. The Mahasattva, who is endowed with great wisdom, great effort, great fame, great dharma, and great splendor, has gone beyond the meanings of the great dharma. The great Naga, great lion, great monk, great rishi, armed with the sword of great wisdom, has destroyed great defilement. The one who possesses great power and effort and great stability defeats opponents. The one who has attained great awakening has prevailed against great enemies. The analyzer of great disease, the Blessed One, is a great physician, having defeated great desire, the giver of great medicine. The one who possesses great compassion liberates from every constraint. Those who are bound by great constraints in the prison of great transmigration. The great man, the great God, the possessor of a great assembly among all assemblies, the best of donors who makes great donations, has attained the state of great tranquility. The best living being, the best rishi, has become also the best leader. Abundant in the best disciples, he is the preacher of the best of dharmas, the best of those who settle their mind well, the best of the fields of merit, the best of those who are liberated, the possessor of all the best marks. The Blessed One is liberated from existence, the one who has risen above the pleasure of existence, has entirely destroyed his wish for existence. He has defeated the desire for existence. The one who has practiced great dharma has abandoned fear and what belongs to fear. He travelled through the air by magical power to the Naga king's dwelling place, the great lake Anvatapata, followed by disciples who had done everything to be done, together with 500 of them. On the bank of the lake, the best of speakers stayed, then the merciful, compassionate one who benefits all being saw the lake and said to the monks, I committed evil deeds, listen to those words of mine.